Hi, this is Mark from Right Line Trading. Want to show the AI Auto Trader, and I have an Apex account running right now, and just want to show you the trade and talk a little bit about how the account's set up and what I'm doing here. So, right now this is the AI Auto Trader. This is a automated trading system on the futures market, and I'm running a 30 range chart on the NQ. And currently it's in a trade, like I said, and took this trade right here. Short entry, two contracts, bought them for 14,900 and 0.75, and it sold one of the contracts right here. It sold one of them at 14,890.75, and it's trying to hit this target for the second target, or it'll hit the break even at this stop if it does.
Order filled.
So it broke even at stop, but just wanted to show. So this is account number 83. Again, just started it this morning. This is the haymaker strategy that we have at Right Line Trading. And what this strategy consists of is everywhere that it shows these crosses, it's a good trade setup. So each one of those entries did show a cross, and it took the entry. And I've had probably 30 trades already on this strategy this morning since 10. So, you know, win some, lose some, but chip away. Right now, this account up here on the chart is at 2,110, but when we bring over our Trader Pro, we'll see that the commissions are taken out of this particular account. So this is the account right here. So I've noticed that as the P&L for the day is active, it'll show here, but once I think it's maybe 5 or 6 o'clock, this goes to zero again. So every day you start at like a zero P&L, but this is the account balance for this particular Apex account number 83 right here. So yeah, it shows up on my chart that I made $2,110, but when you take out the $342 of commissions, it equals $1,767 of actual P&L dollars that you put towards that account. This is a $300,000 evaluation account, and so far, like it shows, I'm up $1,767. To get this account funded, you have to achieve $20,000 of profit here. So again, this is the first day on this one. I do have one that I passed a couple of weeks ago. I guess it hasn't quite been a couple of weeks. I haven't got my certificate yet. But I had one here that got over the $20,000 profit target. I'll show my second account that I'm running today. So running this one on the Nighthawk strategy. And this one jumped out of the gate. I think we had this one starting at, I think maybe 9 o'clock in the morning. And then we have it disabling, I believe, at 11. So we can kind of just go back and see what time the first trades happen on this particular strategy. So along this bottom banner here, you can kind of see the time. So maybe it's 8:30. Yeah, probably enables at 8:30. It didn't get the first trade until here. But again, this is a counter trend trade strategy. So even though the trend looked like it was going in the bullish direction, we took the short here, entered with two contracts, and we hit first target here, and got to our second target here. So we took all that pricing pressure back and handled it, and got to our second target. So again, this one was hammering this morning. Just winner after winner or break even. I mean, it had a couple of losers, but again, it chipped away.
Order submitted.
All the way till $1,355. So the haymaker just jumped back in. So let's just go kind of see how the trade setup works. And again, this is a fully automated strategy doing its thing. I didn't do anything. I'm just paying attention to something else, and it's behind the scenes here, watching the price action, doing all the data analysis for us, and it jumped in this trade. What I like to do is, you know, when I get antsy, I kind of grab the targets and move them around a little bit. whether that works in my advantage or not, I don't know. But that's kind of what I do on the auto trades. If I'm paying attention, I'll kind of try to read the market and see if there's anything that especially when it comes to like a resistance level. I'll definitely try to probably move around the targets a little bit to try to preserve some capital. So like on this one, I might just move the stop up, but I'll leave it here for now. Let it kind of transpire and just kind of see how this trade this moves. I always like to always stretch out the chart too and just kind of see where we've come from. So yeah, we've had contracts traded for prices way up here, so chances of this one hitting this target are probably pretty good. It looks to be a little bit slow right now, but I do have an indicator here how many contracts are being traded per minute, and you saw that last number was about 1,000. So this indicator is just an incremental indicator. As more contracts are traded, the number increments through 1 minute. So as soon as 60 seconds is completed, it just resets to 0. So it's a little bit hard to see what the last exact
order filled
trade was. So boom, just hit that target, sold that first target. So we can actually, our Trader Pro doesn't have it updated until it sells both of them. So this is the Apex account that I'm working right now. It's number 83. So it's right here. The best way that I can see the real value is it's $302,000. So you can kind of watch your number move here as the price goes up and down. Another thing to note on this particular trade setup, once it sells that first contract here for profit, it moves the stop for the second one to break even. So if it loses
order
this trade
filled
right here, that's break even. So we still chipped away and got another, can't remember, $200 I think there on that trade. So again, a good trade management allowed us to pull in a couple $100 on that trade. So having some good luck again today on the auto trader. Just wanted to share a little bit of behind the scenes of how that works, and that was great that we got to watch a live trade take off and go through its progression. So everybody have a great day trading.